So prostate cancer, as you rightly said, has not been getting the kind of attention that it needs. All right. It is the most common cancer in men. Right. It is the most common cause of cancer-related death in men, particularly in the Caribbean.
That was Dr. Rajendra Sukhraj, urologist at the Georgetown Public Hospital. Dr. Sukhraj stated during Thursday's Health Matters program, hosted by the Ministry of Health, that prostate cancer receives insufficient attention. He further acknowledged the ministry's efforts to raise awareness. Dr. Sukhraj explained how the male prostate gland works.
The prostate gland is a part of the male reproductive system. It sits just under the bladder. And so, in fact, without a normally functioning prostate gland, a man will actually not be able to father a child naturally. There are two general conditions, or two common conditions, which we see affecting the prostate gland. The first one is an enlarged prostate, which a lot of men are familiar with some of those symptoms, where it starts to squeeze on the urinary channel and give you symptoms. You're having to go out to pass urine often, and it's not coming out with a kind of force that you're accustomed to. And then on the outside of that same gland, you can develop cancer.
He further emphasized that while men at the age of 67 traditionally face higher risk factors for prostate cancer, there has been a recent increase in cases among men from the age of 40.
The peak incidence is about 67 years, so as you get up in age. Right? But we've started seeing cancers even in the 40s, in some instances, prostate cancer. Men of African ancestry. Right, they're at higher risk. It doesn't mean other ethnicities are exempt by any means. It simply means that men of African ancestry have some of the highest risks that we see. Right, family history. So if you have a father, brother, uncle who's had prostate cancer, your risk of developing prostate cancer increases, right, significantly. And then there's some lifestyle changes which can increase your risk, including smoking and obesity. Right, so those are some of the main risk factors.
It was pointed out that surgeries are being conducted at the GPHC for the early stages of prostate cancer, which originates in the walnut-shaped gland, which produces seminal fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. Some aggressive types can spread quickly, making prostate cancer one of the most common types of cancer. For the HGP 90 News, I am Kerese Gonsalves.